In the last video, there are issues of light. Please help us to manage that. I can't control that. Sorry about that. Okay, I think I stopped with the calculation by saying that, I was working on this just to know that this one will give us 1 plus 2, which will be what? It will be 16, but that will be 5 bracket of minus 15 divided by what? 3. This will cancel this. It means sum of 4 will be equals to what? Minus 15. That is going to be of that. Please, I'm so sorry because I can't control that because of light. The second problem would be this. Permit me to write it down. Okay, mind you, this video will be continuation of the last video, which is, and I have this question: if the second and the fourth term of a GP are 8 and 32 respectively, what is the sum of the first 4 terms? Mind you, the solution to this problem, we are looking for T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4. That's what we are looking for. And what is there is that second term is given to you, which is going to be what? 8, and fourth term is also 32. Now, what you just need to do, I will move on. This implies this. Now, for me to move on with this, I will say that my T2 equals to AR2 minus 1 equals to 8. And I'll be having AR equals to 8. I call it equation 1. And my T4 will be equals to AR4 minus 1 equals to what? 32. Now, AR equals to 3 equals to 32. Now, I will call this equation 2 because I'm trying to look for, Now, for me to move on, I will now say that divide equation 2 with equation 1. Now, what is my equation 2? I have AR raised by 3 and equals 32, which is, and divides what? Equation 1 is AR and 8. Now, for me to move on with this will cancel this. Please, this video is continuation of the last video due to light issue. Now, I think I'll be having R3 minus 1 equals to this one, 8 divided by 30, that will be 4. Yes, it will be equals to 4. Now, R raised to power 2 equals to 2 raised to power 2. It is true that what? 2 is equals to 2. Therefore, my R equals to 2. Now, my R is equals to 2. What I need to find also is my what? My A. Now, put R into equation 1. What is my equation 1? Equation 1 says that A R equals to 8. At this point, my R is equals to A2 equals to 8. Divided by 2 by 2. This will cancel. My A equals to what? My A equals to 4. It means my first term is equals to 4. Now, the next thing we need to work on, let me really take this duster. The next thing we need to work on is that now, at this junction, you need to know the nature of the what? Of the sum. Now, look at me, and it rests upon your R. My R is greater than 1. Greater than 1, which is 2 to be precise. Now, since this is greater than 1, 2 to be precise, I can answer that my sum of this equals to what? A bracket of RL bracket divides R minus 1. That is the formula because my R is greater than 1. Now, since my R is greater than, now I can answer that my A is 4, my R is 2, my N, because you have to find the sum of first 4 terms, my N is going to be what? 4. Now, it means sum of 4, it will be equals to 4, bracket of what? 2 raised to power 4 minus 1 divides 2 minus 1. Now, sum of 4 will be equals to, this will give me 16 minus 1, 4 bracket of 15 because 16 minus 1, that will be what? Bracket of 1. Now, I can answer that one. Sum of 4 will be 16, 5 times, this time that will be 5, and 20. That will be 60. Now, I will talking about 60. It means